Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So if today is your first time of coming across my videos, do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I drop video you'll be the first to get it. So it is simple. Today I'll be teaching you how to remove blemish from your clothes using Photoshop and the frequency separation action. So whatever frequency separation action you are using works for this. So I'm using the BT retouch panel. So what I'll just do straight is I'll duplicate my background layer, which is very important to do while working. So then what I will do, I'll create my frequency separation layer. So for this cloth, I'm going to do one will go for me, then like this. I'm going to off my hard texture layer. I'm going to work on the correcting tool. So if you are wondering why I'm working on this, you can go and check any of my frequency separation videos. I've explained why I always work on this, because it's easier to work from here so that I will not work destructively. So if I make any mistake, I can simply delete this layer and just create another one. So what we're doing now is we'll take our mixer brush. So we'll just begin to brush over this clothes. Just like that, just brush over these clothes. You are not, because I'm trying to maybe iron or smoothing the clothes, you are not overly brushing these clothes. That's not your intentions. You're just supposed to do it carefully. You're supposed to do it carefully and gradually, just like that. So you just do it carefully, not to remove all edges. You want it to still look original. It shouldn't look as if somebody's not wearing the dress. So just like this. And also I got this image from ChatGPT. I just explained what I needed for the class, then it generated the image. This is not a real human being. I might maybe I'm coming across this and this happened to be your face. I got this from AI though. So I don't know. I don't think that's possible, sha. So we just brush over carefully brush over all the blemish, all the wrinkles in the clothes, just like that. Just carefully brush over it. So this is actually taking a lot of time. Mind you, if it's somebody's clothes, it's not going to be rough like this. Nobody will bring in this type of clothes to the studio for you to actually fix. It's not possible. So it's just because I needed to explain it so you know that it's possible to fix it with manual and AI. So I already posted one. I used the Voto AI. That didn't take a lot of time. And this is actually using your frequency separation layer in Photoshop. So just basically like that. So this work for as long as the cloth doesn't have patterns, you can actually use this method to iron your clothes. But if it has pattern and it's very rumpled, you have to use the Voto AI to do it. So it's just like that. Yes, we are good. So I'm just going to touch the trouser a little bit. So the radius I chose for this was actually 1. Just 1. And I fit to screen. Now turn off this. So there's still one more thing you're going to do. So here's it before, after. One more thing, you're going to hold on Control Command on your keyboard, click like this. So what you are doing is you are going to filter, noise, add noise. So I'm going to add like, let's say 8% of noise to this trace. So we just click. So I guess this is too much. We're going to reduce it to around 3 or 4. So Ctrl Z, filter, noise, add noise. So let's do 3. Yes, 3 was perfect. So it is showing. So it's okay now. So Command D on your keyboard to deselect. So here is it before, after, before, after. The reason why we needed to add that noise was so as the part which already went away with our brushing can actually come back. Those textures can actually come back. So this is how simple it is. You're able to take your image from looking like this to like this, looking like this to like this. So it is simple. Do it to subscribe to my channel so whenever I drop a video you'll be the first to get it. Peace out, guys.